part of this video will be on camera, including a demonstration, so hang out. Being an authority and credible with your craft and your expertise to share information. I did it wrong for a year and a half.
So for all of you out there who are maybe marketing people, maybe watching this, or maybe you know somebody. Good morning. Welcome to Simple Sense for Small Business. I'm Trevor and this is Linda Ray. I'm going to shut up and not do all the talking today because we're going to hand this over to the small business YouTube expert. If you are familiar with our other YouTube channel, you will know that this gal right here is the marketing maven of the Aurora Consulting team. And
that part is true.
Our Simple Sense for Small Business today is about how you can, in the simplest form possible, create a YouTube presence, start generating traffic for your business. Linda Ray, take it away. I'm going to drink coffee.
This is for any business owner who does have aspirations of new business development strategies and creative ways to broadcast your business and market your business. My disclaimer is I've never really talked about YouTube and marketing and how we're doing it, and I've never trained anybody. I'm not an expert. There are tons of unbelievable talent out there on YouTube development. I will tell you from real life experience what we've accomplished and what you need to do. Personally, I think it's a genius way for business owners to share information with the public and to build authority and credibility with your business, with your expertise, and with information that can help people. I believe the more information that you share and give away for free, and not to be stingy and greedy with the information, will come back to you. When you do that, people want more of what you have to offer, and that thus begins the new business development, right?
I love it.
Okay, so with YouTube, let's get into some of the tactics. And again, this is not formulated. I don't have any notes. I'm not reading anything. This is all stream of consciousness on what I've done. The first thing you're going to want to do, and I'm going to put a link in the description, is get the TubeBuddy plugin that works on Chrome for your YouTube channel.
I remember when you got TubeBuddy for our YouTube, all of a sudden things started happening.
It is magical indeed.
What does TubeBuddy do?
TubeBuddy allows you to enhance the search engine optimization of your video, of each and every video. It helps you explore keywords and phrases and titles and descriptions that boost and bolster your video searchability, discoverability. For under 1,000 subscribers, it costs $43.80 a year.
And we're going to put a link down here below to TubeBuddy. She's an affiliate, so there's that whole affiliate thing, just full disclosure.
It is worth every single penny.
All right, since you're the expert here, let me be the small business owner.
Okay.
So what you're saying is what TubeBuddy does with my YouTube channel, whether I have less than 1,000 or more, is it helps me to see best phrases, keywords, things of that nature that will direct traffic to my video. So if I make handcrafted wooden nightstands for your bedroom, and I have an Etsy store, and I do that, and I do YouTube videos about it, kind of like a craft workshop thing, right? Then I can use TubeBuddy to figure out the phrases, the keywords, the
that people might be looking to do DIY type projects. How I did it wrong was I was structuring the video content. Now, when I say video content, I mean the title, the description, the hashtags, the keywords associated with the channel. I was structuring them as a marketing like email subject line where you want to grab their attention, right?
Yeah.
It's not like that. You need to structure your titles on what people are searching for by way of solving a problem or entertaining type.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so
that's where TubeBuddy comes in.
You need to make it effective with how people are looking for you. For an example, we did a video on our If Then Thursday, and we were outside and we were talking about how to make your business even more tremendous. Since we were outside, we had the trees. In my title, I put, "Is your business tremendous?" No one's looking for that.
Yeah, I would never think to type in tremendous.
No.
I like spelling.
Right.
And you can't even spell tremendous as tremendous.
I had to go back and then extract the essence of the video on what the real bottom line message was, and then use that in the title, which I don't remember what that is right now.
So TubeBuddy becomes kind of like literally your buddy.
We did it that
Doing
way.
a video today, buddy.
With TubeBuddy, what it does when you're in there, you're going to see how it gives you scales of competition and how words are searched and phrases are searched for.
Cool.
So that way you can even get ideas on what type of content to create or what kind of questions to develop into short videos that you can help your audience with, again, answering a question, solving a problem. That leads me to my next idea. Very simply is we searched a very basic question of what our business does. How do you apply for an EID loan? And then Google magically showed us like 7 other questions
that people are looking for. I remember that.
And then we did 2 to 4 minute videos on those 7 questions that Google prompted. That's when things started popping for us, October 2020.
This is a good time to talk about those results. So that Linda brings in TubeBuddy, which optimizes the keywords and so forth. And then we did this Google search thing, and we focused our videos on those topics, and then it started exploding. Our other YouTube channel.
Well, let's just talk about the obstacle for realsies.
Hashtag for realsies.
It's a time commitment. A video for me, and I've been doing this, we're coming up on almost 2 years that I've been actively working on when we record videos and then the editing that goes into it. It is a time commitment. One video for a 3 to 5 minute video could take me 3 to 5 hours easily. I also am in love with editing. I know I'm in the minority with that, but I love doing the editing.
Well, let me jump in and ask you this question. Again, small business owner hat, 3 to 5 hours. But how many videos a week? Because if you think about if it's 1 or 2 videos, that's really not a huge investment in time.
In talking to a YouTuber, I was telling her how we were doing 2 video series a week. If Then Thursday, Finance Friday. This was September 2019 through March 2020. And she says, oh, they like 1 or 3 videos a week. I'm like, that's random.
Sounds like she has statistical results that show that.
It's possible. It also is possible that the 2 video series we were doing every week, they weren't optimized properly. So it was working against me anyway, no matter what.
Well, so maybe my question was off base. We're trying to make this simple for all of you to
doing one video
do
a
one
week.
video.
Yeah. One
and use
video
the TubeBuddy. Again, the link is down below, and Linda's an affiliate, so she'll get some money for coffee from that. But click on that, sign up for TubeBuddy, and also use the Google search of a question about your business, and then Google will suggest other ideas, and you do a couple of videos about that.
Yeah.
If you're not facilitated with doing a lot of editing, okay, so maybe it takes you 10 hours to edit one video, but in a space of a given week, it's a valuable investment in your marketing program to build your business.
I want to touch on some quick ideas on editing so you have an idea of, because editing is its own form of life. With editing, you're going to have jump cuts because you want to take out breaths, because you want to keep the pace moving. It's not unusual to have the jump cuts. You don't have to have a perfect script to keep rolling and not edit. Don't worry about that. Jump cuts also, you can change frames. And what that means is maybe when you edit, you pull in on a frame, keeps them interested in what comes next.
Can we show them an example right now of a jump cut? Watch my face. That's a jump cut.
Second thing is sound effects that help with keeping the attention. Transitions are something you're going to want to consider when you're changing points. iMovie has transitions built in, or you can use a transition like a GIF as a transition and associate that also with the sound effects.
Oh, cool.
This channel does not give you great examples of any of the work that I do when it comes to editing. Want to go to our EIDL consulting channel. But the bottom line is, besides the creativity that I just can't get enough of, it's also being an authority and credible with your craft and your expertise to share information, and it really does build your business.
It definitely does. And we're hoping to build those results here at Simple Sense for Small Business. And along those lines, if you have not yet clicked on the subscribe button, please do so and hit the little bell. Ding, ding, ding. This is where Linda will put a sound effect in. And you'll get notifications when we do Simple Sense for Small Business.
For our pleasure and profit segment, where this YouTube and new business development comes in, is being an authority, being credible. People will search search for information and find you and then trust you and then potentially hire you. That's the pleasure and the profit. Do you have anything you want to say to that?
No, it looks like you have a lot of fun, a lot of pleasure
I
out of
love
doing our
it.
YouTube videos.
I love it.
And we know that they have generated profits. So pleasure, profit.
Teamwork.
You already know her name is Linda. I'm Trevor. I'm just the bystander today. Lynn, that was amazing.
See you next time.